Good morning everybody, my dear student. This is the second video from chapter first economics for class 10th, and here is the rest topic related to that chapter, economic development. Public facilities. It is an important topic in this chapter. What is public facilities? Public facilities are facilities that are provided to the people by the government. It means government provide all type of facilities to fulfill the needs of their people, to fulfill the needs of all people of the country. The certain essential facilities are healthcare, sanitation, electricity, transport and education. This is the essential facilities provided by our government to their people. This type of facilities play an essential role in providing healthy communities. And all this type of facilities provided by the government play an essential role to providing healthy communities. This is the public facilities. And your next topic is sustainability of development. This is the last point from this chapter, sustainability of development. What is the meaning of sustainability of development? First of all, sustainability of development means development should take place without damaging the environment with the needs of future generation. Dear student, we all know that today we use different type of facilities in more way, but it is not justified. This is not right for future generation use. It is very important to sustainable of development. We use different type of resource for our developing, but can't be care to future generation. So it is very important to sustainability of development. Various measures of sustainable development. It means how can we control, how can we check this type of development. The first, controlling over usage and creating an awareness to provide sustainable development. Second, increase use of renewable resources. Third, less use of fossil fuel. Fourth, introduction of organic farming. Today, in agriculture system, our farmers use different types of chemical fertilizer. This is not good method to agriculture. So, introduction of organic farming and less use of fossil fuel. It is also very necessary that we choose renewable resources to achieve our needs. Now, 4 points are very important to conserve the sustainable development. And the last point, why sustainable development is important. This is the last topic from this chapter. Why sustainable development is important? What is the reason? Sustainable development is important for economic growth. This is the answer why sustainable development is important. Sustainable development is important to economic growth. Today, dear student, as we know, the standard of living of all persons must be raised. We need different type of things. And about sustainable development, a great leader of our country, Mahatma Gandhi, said that the earth has enough resource to meet the needs of all, but not enough to satisfy the greed of even one person. Our earth has enough resource. Always remember, earth has enough resource to meet the needs of people, but it is not enough to satisfy the greed of a person. This is very important line said by our great leader Mahatma Gandhi. So it is very necessary to conserve our this type of development, to conserve our resources for future use, for coming generation. And through all this point we can conserve our resource for development in future for coming generation. Thank you. Have a nice day.